Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit video using Mast application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have installed the Mast application on my mobile phone. If you haven't installed this application, you can go to your Play Store or Apple Store and then you can install this application on your phone. Okay, and if you want to edit the video, we can go to create option. Wait, you can click on create, or actually you can use the video template right here. If you want to use video template, you just need to select the template you want to use, and for example I'm just going to click on create. Okay, and click on new project, and you can choose the video you want to edit from your gallery. But wait guys, it's loading. Okay, and for example I'm just going to select this video. Okay, click on this button. Alright, and here you will be able to edit your video using the editing tools in Mast application. Okay, you can edit your clip by clicking on this edit clip option, and you can add folders, animation, crop your video, and also split your video, and also customize the volume. Okay, and for example I'm going to add folders. Tap on the folders, and then don't forget to download the folder before you use it. I'm gonna go with this one for instance, and then the folder has been added, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Just drag it like this. Okay, now it's done. And if you want to add animation, you can click on edit clip and add animation. For instance, I'm gonna go with this distort animation. Click on done. Wait. Okay, and then you can also add like music and sound effects to your video. If you want to add music, you can tap on audio and then click on music, and you can choose the music from your device, or you can extract music from video. And then if you want to add tags, you can click on the tags option and type in the tags you want to add. I'm just going to type in my video like this. Click on done, and here you can change the font, the color, and for example I'm gonna go with this one. And for the font, I'm just going to choose this one, but you need to download the font before you use it. I'm sorry guys, my internet connection is not good. Okay, I'm just going to use the default font. Okay, just like this. You can also add sticker. Go to the sticker, and choose the sticker you want to apply to your video. Okay, just like this. And once you're done edit your video, you can click on export. But before it, you can change the resolution right here. And I'm just going to click on export. Okay guys, and that's how we can edit video using Mast app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.